Today on Project Blue Dolphin, going to take all the upholstery off, jet wash the bare hull, and then strip any fittings that are left. Here we go. There's the first bit. Another bit. Yeah, these seats are really starting to show their age. Looking forward to getting some new ones on. Oh, still green. It's got to be time for a new one of them. Well, that's not a bad morning on the Blue Dolphin. We've got the seats off, ready for reupholstering. We've got some of the stainless fittings off, jet washed the deck down and some of the other bits and pieces. And yeah, every day we do a little bit more.